Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a lot of feedback on the latest update for Windows 11. The Patch Tuesday update apparently is causing a host of issues, varying from quite a lot of people not being able to install it. It actually doesn't work, to people that installed it but just so slow. This is the main comment that I've seen on my channel, how slow the install was for a lot of people. I've seen some comments of people saying it took them several hours before the PC was actually back again from the update. So this might indicate something else also, because there's a lot of people that seem, and you could see here in the different feedback, there's a lot of feedback that comes from the update. Slows down the computer. A lot are mentioning one particular problem is that after they updated, not only is the computer slow, but when they look at the performance of the CPU, while the PC is doing absolutely nothing, actually gets at 100% usage and stays there. So definitely something wrong. Microsoft hasn't said anything yet. If you do have these problems and your PC is really hard to use, you can always go and uninstall the update for now and maybe pause the updates for a little bit. It's not the best thing, since these are security updates, and a lot of the security updates actually are really critical, but definitely something's wrong. So how about you? Did it go well? Did your update install okay? Was it too long, longer than usual? And do you experience any slowdown problems, freezes, since that update is there? Do comment below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.